take a look at a few of the newest products from ICP DAS USA. The ECAT-2513 and ECAT-2515 are EtherCAT junction slave modules that allow flexibility in wiring and supports daisy chain, star, and branch topologies. These modules communicate between stations up to 100 meters. The ECAT-2513 has 1 to 3 ports, while the 2515 has 1 to 5 ports. EtherCAT junction slaves can realize branch topology, which makes the cabling easier than daisy chain topology. It also improves the debugging efficiency. If a slave device is not working or the cable is disconnected, the following slave devices on the same network all do not communicate with the master controller. With EtherCAT junction slaves, all slave devices can be wired as separate sections. The U7526M has a built-in 2-port Ethernet switch to implement daisy chain topology. The cabling is much easier and can reduce the total cable and switch cost. It follows the Power over Ethernet specification. It allows receiving power from PoE-enabled networks by Ethernet pairs. This feature provides greater flexibility and efficiency to simplify system design, save space, and reduce wirings and power sockets. It provides a web UI to configure, control, and monitor the modules, connections, and I/O status via a web browser. It is easy, fast, and no extra APP needed. The DNM844 is a 4-channel current transformer. It provides 3000 VDC intra-modules isolation and can be used with the analog input modules such as I7017, I87017, and M7017 RMS to measure the high current. If you would like more information on these product families, you can watch the videos linked in the description box below, visit our website, or reach out to a member of the ICP DAS USA sales team.